Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to make your image more retro with Snapseed. But first I just wanted to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First we are going to open the application. After that we need to select an image, so we are going to click on the plus icon. After that, we need to select our preferred image, like so. Afterwards, we are going to click on Tools at the bottom of our screen, and we are going to select Retro Looks. Here we have three options: Shuffle, Adjust, and Styles. The first one is randomly shuffles between all the styles, like so. And with the third one, here, we can select other pre-made styles like so. Of course, you need to choose one. And if you want to adjust something on the image, you can go on to the second option, which is Manual Adjust. Here you can adjust 6 things on this image. The brightness, which you can see it adjusts the brightness of the image. Contrast, which will adjust the contrast of the image, like so. Saturation, which will increase or decrease the saturation of the image. Style strength, which will change the filter strength, like so. The next one is scratches, which will add more scratches like on the old camera lenses, like so. And the last one is light leaks, of having light leaking into the image. If we want to compare it to our original photo, we can click on the icon on the upper right corner, like so. And if we are done, we can either dismiss the changes with the X icon right here, or we can apply those changes to our image with the check mark. We're going to apply them, of course. After that, if we want to save our image, we need to click on Export, which will show us 4 options. Share, which will share it to our friends on our preferred platform. Save, which will save our image. Export, which will also save our image, but it will adjust the image to what we set it on in the settings menu. And Export as will save our image to our preferred folder. I'm going to click on Save. And after that, you can view your image with View. And I'm going to select Gallery. And here it is. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one.